Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what happened these past 2 weeks, and later in the video I'm going to tell you what my trading goals are for this year. So stay tuned to find out. So let's begin with the first pair I have traded since 2025. First week of 2026 is AUD USD. It was a buy long position, and we got stopped out by a pip or even a half pip. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. We can look. Let's break down AUD USD. Weekly time frame is bullish. Daily is bullish, kinda forming head and shoulders pattern. 4 hour is still at this point is still bullish, and right here it broke this higher low and stopped me out. So that's it for AUD USD. Let's go to the next pair. The second pair I have traded, that's actually the second week of 2026, is USD cut. I have entered on Tuesday and it's looking kind of good. We can see the weekly time frame is bullish, the daily is bullish, and the 4 hour is, we can say, bullish here. It's a little bit of drawdown. I entered after this bullish engulfing closed, and we wait and see what is going to happen. So yeah, that are the two pairs I have traded this week. One's a loss, it is what it is, we wait and see. So let's look potentially other pairs for the other week that's coming. And okay, let's begin with Euro USD. We are looking on the weekly is kind of bullish right now, but is, yeah, the daily is bearish and the 4 hour as well. So potentially we can wait for a break-in retest of this area of interest and go short. USD JPY, the price is nowhere and I'm not interested. USD CHF, this could be a counter trend trade, but I don't know if we should risk it. But if it broke this area of interest in a test, maybe we'll consider longing this pair, but yeah, we will see. So now it's right here, AUDCHF, yeah, beautiful break. Now we wait for a retest of the area of interest, and for the next week we can enter on Monday potentially. Yeah, let's look at the overall structure. The weekly is very bearish, the daily is bullish, and the 4 hour is bullish. This trade we can enter as a day trade, not as a swing. I don't know what to target, but we will see. NZD JPY, the weekly is bullish, daily technically bullish, and the 4 hour is bearish, or no, it's a bullish, sorry, technically it's a bullish. So yeah, I'm not sure, but if we can wait for a retest of this area and do something like this and do market shift of structure, we can potentially enter as a long swing trade, targeting all the way somewhere right here or here. So yeah, we wait and see for what is going to happen. Like this, something like this. GBP USD, beautiful rejection, and now I want a retest of the area of interest, and we sell. Actually, this pair is one of my top for the next week. Euro NZD, the price is consolidating, something like that. GBP JPY, not interested. Euro AUD, weekly bearish, technically. Oh no, it's still bullish. The daily is bearish and the 4 hour as well is bearish. Okay, this also is a potential. And finally USD JPY, on the weekly is a bullish trend. Oh shit, this is the monthly. On the weekly is bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, but it's not on a area of interest, so I wouldn't enter it. But if it retests this area, I will consider entering a long position. So yeah, those are my pairs for this week, potentially for the next week, sorry. Yeah, these are my pairs for next week. And yeah, I'm saying on 100 subs, 100 subs, when we're doing live trading gold. So subscribe. Okay, well, it's time for me to tell you the trading goals for my trading goals for this year right now. Okay guys, this is my trading goals for this year. So the first is become funded. My goal is to get funded maximum 4 to 5 months of this year, at least 10k. I mean, the first target is 10k, and from the profits from the 10k challenge, I'm going to buy a 25, 50 or 100k challenge. Okay, the second goal is to move out of my hometown. When I finish school, I will find a job and try to leave my hometown. And the third goal for this week, for this year, is to make $10,000 from trading alone, to hit pure profits, just pure profits from trading. If it's not in my bank account or in crypto, it doesn't count. But I have to have $10,000 from trading alone, profits, pure profits. And yeah, That are my goals for this year. I think it will happen, but we will see what this year brings us. And yes, so that's what we for this video, guys, and see you next time.